all, we are here in Osaka, Japan, waiting in line to eat at Genrokuzushi. It's a pretty famous sushi place. They serve sushi on the revolving thing, the conveyor belt. Yeah, conveyor belt. We got maybe like a 20-30 minute wait ahead of us, which isn't too bad considering the amount of people that are here. They do have multiple locations throughout Osaka, but we chose this one here in Dotonbori just because this is where we got off from the train, so I'm pretty excited. Alright, so we've made it inside. I'm not going to mic up for this just because it's a pain and there's a lot of people here and it's a pain. Anyway, so let's take a look at the conveyor belt, the magical conveyor belt of food, bringing us all the lovely, delicious treats. Tina's already decided to grab one. What did you grab? Oh, salmon? Some pieces of salmon. So one cool thing about this place is that every single one of these plates, if I'm not wrong, is 125 yen before tax, and I think 135 yen after tax. So they're about $1.10, $1.15-ish per plate, and that's pretty cool, honestly.
It's even.
So you can get yourself some tea. They have it in powder form, like many other places do. Can I get some powder? Thank you. I'm gonna have my first piece. Looks really good. There's just something about getting sushi in Japan. That's just such a wonderful experience. Alright, so I was told I had to take my microphone off, so this is my camera's in-body audio. Oh yeah. This tuna, really, really good. Definitely tuna, but let's try this salmon. This looks like a different salmon. Let's try this. Very good. It's like onions and maybe some kind of mayonnaise in here. It's good, but I'm not really a big fan of onion. You can grab this plate here. Thank you. This appears to be eel. Not entirely sure. Gonna have to eat it first to test it. No, that's like a, what's cooling in English? Mackerel. Mackerel. It's gudetama. You want to eat gudetama? Let's eat gudetama. Oh, it's very sticky. Alright, gudetama. Really good. That one's actually really good. I always thought getting egg at a sushi place was such a waste, but that was actually really nice. One last plate of tuna. Alright, down the hatch.
What's different about it?
It looks blow-torched. Blow-torched. Oh, we're doing good. 6 plates per person. soy sauce?
And you could taste the lemon that was like smelly.
Well, maybe I should have got one too. Oh, the shrimp one looks really cool. Ooh. Let's have a bite. It's kind of tough. This is a prawn, but the flavor is really good. It's really tough, but the flavor's good. I like the sauce.
It's 3.5 stars.
What do you think?
I think a little higher. Not the
4?
Yeah, like
Ooh. Let me get one of these ones. Char-boiled. Oh, no!
that's probably the best one.
That one is the best one. There's something about burned stuff that I just love. Like, I like really toasty, burned, a little bit bread. Alright, I think that about wraps it up here. Here's our mountain of plates. Those are ours too. This is just where you get hot water. There's the teas in powder form over there. Some sauce here. Pickled ginger, a must. And I'm pretty sure once you're done, you hit this bell button. Hit that bell button, and then they're gonna count up the plates and then give us the bill. Thank you.
This is odd, right?
Alright guys, we're outside now, walking around Dotonbori. I hope you all enjoyed my look at Genrokuzushi. It was pretty good, although there is a caveat. On the door, they advertise that their plates are all 125 yen. There are actually plates that are 200 yen. They're the yellow color plates. So if you do grab a yellow colored plate, if you go here to eat, just know that it's actually 200 and not 125. Overall, I think it's a pretty great deal for how much you pay and what you get. I can definitely see why this is so highly rated amongst online reviewers and food critics. You might want to be prepared to wait in a small or large line, depending on what time of day you come. But overall, I think this is definitely a must-do when you come to Osaka. That's all from me. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And until then, stay hungry.